Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lily Love Braids from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves up and down. And then at the bottom, let's draw a curve up and across. Now let's hop inside each eye and let's draw a large circle at the bottom. And then inside each of these, let's draw a circle on the top left. And one on the bottom right. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. Now we're going to hop out and draw the eyelashes by drawing a curve up on each side here. And add a black circle at the ends. And then on top of each eye, let's add a curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and draw a small bump up for the nose. Now we're going to hop to the sides and let's draw a curve down and back up on each side. And then let's curve it down to a point in the center for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face here, let's move in and draw the mouth. Let's start under the nose and let's draw a curve across. And then from each end, let's dip it down and back up. And let's curve it down to the center from both ends. And lastly, a curve across the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the ears. Let's draw a curve out and back in on each side. And another curve inside near the top. Now under each ear, let's add another piece of hair by curving it down and up. Now top to the top and let's continue drawing the hair. In the center, let's draw a wavy line over to the left. Bring it down on top of the ear and out. And then from the top, let's bring it up. And down with a wavy line. And then inside, let's add a wavy line across. Now let's continue the hair on the right. Starting in the center, let's draw a wavy line down and curve it back up. And close it off with another wavy line like this. And again, a wavy line across inside. Now to finish off the right side, let's add a small curve down next to the eyelash here. And one more longer one on top of the ear. And then let's add a curve up inside. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw 2 bumps for the top of the head. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head and draw 2 small curves down and out for the neck. Then let's bring it out for the shoulders. And angle it down. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve for the top of the t-shirt. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a line across. And bring it down on each side. Now underneath each shoulder, let's draw 2 lines down for the straps of the dress. And add a circle inside underneath on the left and right. And then inside the dress here, let's draw a star. Now to finish off the sleeves, let's draw a curve in on each side. Now let's hop back in and let's continue the dress. Let's curve it down and out on each side. And then let's angle it up and in at the bottom. Another point on each side. And one more in the center. And now inside each of these points, we're going to draw another V-shaped point like this. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop back up and add the arms. Underneath each sleeve, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then angle them back in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down in the center. And 2 more on the outside. And close it off at the bottom with a curve. Now inside each leg, let's add another curve at the bottom here for the tops of the socks. Now to continue the legs, let's draw an angle down and in from the center. And an angle out on each side that's shorter. Now let's start inside and let's draw a bump out and down. And a curve across to close off each foot. Now let's hop inside and draw some details. At the bottom here, let's draw a curve down and up. Now in the middle section, we're going to draw half a star. Let's start at the top and let's draw a point up and down. Then a point in towards the center. one going down and up. And one more angle to the sides. And that's it for the body. Lastly, we're going to move out and draw the braids. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 curves up and out. And another one underneath. Now to close off this section, we're going to draw 2 curves coming back in like this. Now for the next section, let's do the same thing. Let's draw 2 bumps out. And curve them back in. Now let's do the same thing, creating sections and curving it downwards. And then let's stop close to the bottom here. Now to finish off the end of the braids, let's draw a rectangle underneath each side. And then a wavy line down and out. And curve it back up. And that's it for Lily Love Braids. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!